because the main problem when you're filming and driving the motorcycles, it's the sound. Because doesn't matter what software you use, you will take a lot of wind noises. So let's see. Yeah. Yesterday was a lovely day. Today is not. I can feel the wind is hitting me. But I love it. Yeah. So we drive now to a coffee shop, and there's two types of coffee that I identify in this world, and that's it. And that's the specialty coffee and Tankstelle coffee, or petrol station coffee. Wow, good. I just can't see. The 223, I see it right. Guys, next video will be from my Fahrrad, from my bike, because the stuff are getting too expensive right now. So €2.23. Yeah, it's the end of the world, and I'm driving a motorcycle. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, it's looking like honey from the beans, but have nothing to do with it. It's just the structure. So €2.23. Yeah, it's the end of the world, and I'm driving a motorcycle. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, the end of the world, and I'm driving a motorcycle. Didn't expect that end. Something new about the barista who is speaking. Usually I don't like long talks. I don't like to speak about something for hours and then no, let me taste it, and I will decide if I like it or not. Because it's all about being... Oh, look at these guys. Hello, brothers. every day I'm shuffling. Yeah, so 2.4 kilometers, we're almost there. Yeah, so drink the coffee how you want, enjoy. And I don't recommend these petrol station coffees, and I will usually the highest the brands that's everywhere, you know, the big markets and stuff like this. They can't do that. They can't have the meticulous, like, to try to obtain really good coffee. So we are in 30 area zone. This is meaning we need to drive slowly. Whoa, look there. Whoa, nice, baby. I was not speaking about the Fiat, yeah. Yeah, and you need to be all the time really careful on this situation, because you need to give Rex for links, they call it in German, but I think it's also using the same in okay, there's everywhere like this, but there's a lot in those in these areas. Germany, they use this system, Holland, because they want you to drive slowly, because you can expect somebody from the right side, you know. So Okay. I don't know what he's saying there, but doch, I know. Bicycles. Like Holland, man. I like this type of. I used to delivery also like this guy. Every day I was everywhere. I think I found my place. This is my perfect place. Look here. I will not show twice. Pam 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 pam. It's the music from James Bond. So hello. They don't speak with me. They don't want to speak with me. We arrived. We're gonna go and have a coffee. Let's see if you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna order a coffee. Should I be stupid and ask them if they speak German? We will go to the next destination right now. It's another coffee shop. Let's not understand something wrong when I say coffee shop, yeah? It's all about coffee. So, really like the city. I like this combination of, you know, they have this building with bricks and it's so quiet and so nice. Only me is disturbing the sound here. Oh, hello. Yeah. So, but I like it. I like this Dutch style. I still have benzene? Yeah. Did I close everything? Yeah. What I really like about this shade that I have in my bag is what's the name? Top case. You can't close it with the keys inside because you need all the time to have the keys. So if you try to close it, it will not work. Oh, crematorium. Whoa. It's not the right way. It's not the right way. Oh, we drive. Woo! Woo! That guy loves his job. So we are in a small city. We have something like BMW is. But if you really want to discover how civilized people are, you just go in their traffic. Look at this guy, he's doing his job. He's doing actually pretty well, look. We have a lot of stuff to do. So nice. We do it again. Hello. Yeah, so you go in the traffic and you're gonna discover how civilized those people are. And yeah, this is my opinion about. And that's the coffee. Good. And then I need to find a petrol station. Can I let it here? Hello. Yeah. Hi. Do you speak English or German?
German.
German. Darf ich mein Motorrad auf dem Weg hier lassen? Für ein paar Minuten, so 20 Minuten.
Kannst du besser. Wo stehst du mit dem?
Ich habe da gelassen, aber ich glaube, es ist nicht erlaubt.
Komm rüber und stell hier hinter an die Bordkante hier.
Ja, an der Bootkante?
Ja. Kein Problem.
Ah, okay.
Eben vorbei in den Bank da, der Sitz. Kannst du ruhig hinstellen.
Ah, also, nee, die Bank.
Hier. Hier kannst du ruhig hinstellen.
Alles klar.
Kein Thema.
Dankeschön.
Ja? Okay.
Ja, danke.
Ja.
So. Dankeschön.
Wenn du willst, darfst du ihn auch hier reinsetzen.
Na, ich kann da lassen.
Okay.
Wird perfekt, danke.
Alles klar.
So. So I spoke with him.
Yeah, it was fine.
Yeah, it was fine. Yeah, there was not.
Isn't that nice? He can be very pushy if you don't step off your bike. He's very.
Yeah,
It was nice.
really nice. You need to see the Germans in Bielefeld. Yeah, they scream and they say it's how they call it respect. They speak with respect if they scream, and I was okay. Because I'm living in Germany, but I'm not from Germany. I'm from Romania,
Okay.
and yeah, every time when I travel a little bit with the bike, I'm using this coffee trip app, and that's why I'm here.
It's
The app. Yeah, you know.
We were put on, I think, few months ago. So
It's the best app.
it's perfect, right?
Yeah,
I
it's
also use the notification and something in Barcelona, Valencia.
yeah.
It's great spots.
Because in my opinion you want to, you know, Google is giving recension like 5 stars for hotel coffee, you know, and yeah, you need to find different way to find coffee specialty.
Yeah.
So
What can I do for you? What kind of coffee do you like? This is, I got one bean because in this place, you don't gonna get fancy because I tried a fruity bean.
I want to ask you, can I, mine is still recording, it's okay, or should I stop the record? Yeah? Okay. Thank you though. I want to ask first, you know.
YouTube or something? Or?
I still have a small channel. I'm still learning some how to do this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I want to combine coffee and motorcycle.
That's great.
Yeah, I'm trying, but it's really hard with videos, you know, and.
It's a lot of work, right?
Hmm?
It's a lot of work.
Yeah, editing is that's the biggest amount of time.
Skill.
Yeah.
Great and quick editing. It's very good.
Because I see some videos on some guys making this, and then when I'm looking at my videos, I'm oh my god, I'm working for Cartoon Network, you know, like it's really a nightmare.
It's totally different. Yeah.
Yeah. You say you have something fancy. What do you?
I don't have something fancy.
Ah, oh, you don't have.
It's decaf.
Yeah.
It's just our regular bean.
Yeah.
It's like very caramel, chocolate.
Okay. So it's the bitter taste of the coffee. It's that side.
It's not kind of bitter. It's I think it's in between.
In between.
It's not that bitter.
Mm-hmm.
It depends also on what's kind of coffee you like? If you like it with milk or just regular normal coffee or just espresso?
Usually I go for espresso for the pour drinks. Yeah, because I want to feel the aroma. I'm also working on specialty coffees, so in a roastery. So every time when I have chance to try something new.
In Germany or
in Germany? In Germany. Yeah, I have almost 7 years in Germany, so I call it home now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Does it feel like home?
Jein. There's a German word, they call it Jaun 9, they call it Jein. Yeah, it's a combination between yes and no. Yes, I can tell you there's still some stuff from Romania that I miss sometimes.
Yeah.
And Germany is not giving that to me, but I like Germany, I can call it home. You know, I 7 years here.
Yeah, that's great.
If you stay a lot with them, between them, you understand them in one moment, and it's okay. I can say sometimes they are difficult, but they're good. They're good people.
I think they are kind of similar to the Dutch people because I get a lot of Germans also come over here to the West.
I know there are coming some really good coffee from Holland.
Yeah.
The DRK, I don't know actually how they pronounce this. Is DAK or DRK?
I think duck.
DAK. Okay.
Normally I pronounce it like duck, but yeah.
Okay.
It's very international, so I don't know.
Yeah. I know they have really, really good. I was there also, and I'm pretty impressed. So the quality is really there, top.
There you go.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Enjoy.
I like this small cafes, small coffee shop. You know, I think coffee shop it's a wrong term to use, or?
Coffee shop is like a weed.
Yeah, that's why sometimes I'm like, okay, wait a second, it's not a coffee shop actually. It's
In international way, you can call it a coffee shop.
yeah.
But in the Netherlands, we are known for our weeds. So a coffee shop is normally with weeds. We pronounce it like coffee bar.
Coffee bar. So this one will be coffee bar.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. In German, it's they call it cafe.
Coffee.
Yeah. So then you know that you go in a coffee bar.
Yeah.
So, do you also?
Different, right?
Yeah. I know. Culture is different, but maybe that's the beauty to be different. No?
Just be all the same. It's very boring, I think.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fruity.
I've tried a very fruity coffee from Ethiopia.
Yeah.
But here on the east, in the Netherlands, they are very just keep it simple, just keep it like coffee. And I very like it that they like these beans, so
Yeah.
I can't get very fancy over here. I'm
It's-
just trying to introduce like filter coffee, but I get asked like once a month, so I can get filter coffee beans, but they go bad, I think. Or I just drink it all by myself.
Oh, okay.
That's not nice, I think.
Yeah.
Maybe it's only this.
Yeah.
Part of the Netherlands. They just want like the burns and bitterness in their coffee, and I think it's I don't like it.
Yeah.
That's how coffee is supposed to be for me.
Yeah, it's a lot more potential in the coffee. May I try the encoffiniate also, the decaf? Yeah.
Do you also sometimes make the filter by yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't have it on. You can try this one. This was a sample.
Yeah.
You can take it home.
No way. You give this to me?
It's very fruity. Just try it.
Okay.
It's I think around a month old now.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I will. So, people, let's see if I can get to the. I'm really low on fuel. The next direction is Tankstelle. 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 E10. That's my benzene. So. We'll continue to drive on N13. Oder? Should we take the right? Mm-hmm. Guys, I can tell you, I can feel how much the wind is hitting from the front, so this small windscreen actually is helping. So yeah.